Hi, I am Radhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and doing well. In this video, I'll be talking about how to become rich by managing your money efficiently. So like everyone else, I have also struggled in managing my finances at my early working days. And someone has very rightly said, if you'll not run fast, you'll be like a broken anda. Or perhaps if you'll not learn how to manage your finances fast, you will be like a chilla anda by end of every month, no matter how much money you earn. So today with you all, I'll share a secret of becoming rich by being financially literate. And to begin with, you first need to understand the difference between an asset and a liability. Now you must be wondering what are these terms called. So going by a very simple definition of a very famous book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, an asset is something which puts money to your pocket and a liability is something which takes money out of your pocket. So for example, if you buy a laptop for your work purpose, it will give you monthly profit. Whereas if you buy a luxury car, it will not give you any profit and its price will decrease over the period of time. Similarly, if you keep investing in the number of assets to your list by adding FDs, RDs or stocks or mutual funds, royalties, intellectual property, it will give you interest over the period of time. Or on the other hand, if you keep swiping your credit card left, right and center, it will not give you any profit and you'll keep paying loans and taxes by every month. Now you guys tell me in the comment section below that what do you think is an asset for you and which one is a liability. And by now you must have already realized that how important is to invest in number of assets or rather investing in the liabilities for your short-term happiness. And if you are already 21 by now, you should be start investing at this age to increase source of income for your future. And if you want me to do another video on how to invest, let me know in the comment section below. I'll create another video for that. But before I end this video, I want to share the single most asset that we all have is our mind. Yes, the power of self-knowledge. If you will be adaptive, if you will be flexible and learn new things every day, you will grow richer despite of any circumstances or any changes, even this pandemic. And with this, I end the video. But before I sign off, I want you to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that it motivates me to create further videos for you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye!